Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to cancel Shopify subscription or how to close Shopify store easy guide. So whether you're transitioning to a new platform or simply ending your e-commerce journey, this tutorial is here to help. So just follow the steps carefully and watch the video until the end to avoid mistakes. The first thing that you need to do in here is to log in into your Shopify account and select the store that you want to close. So as you can see, we're currently here on Shopify's website. So you'll just have to click on start free trial in here so that you'll get redirected onto the link wherein it asks you to sign up or sign in. So we have the sign up in here if you don't have an account, but since we have an account already and we want to cancel that, simply click on login. Right after you've logged in, you'll get redirected here onto your store. You'll just have to choose which store you want to go ahead and deactivate. So if you have multiple stores, choose the one that you want to deactivate for that. Now, we need to access your account settings. On the Shopify homepage, since we're here already, click on your name here onto the top right corner of the screen and select Manage Account. Then we'll have to navigate to the security settings here onto the left side. So we need to make sure that we have logged out onto all of our devices and turn off any enabled authentication methods here. So make sure this one is turned off and delete any login services for security. Now, right after you've gone ahead and checked that, just head back here onto the homepage by clicking onto their logo here onto the upper left corner of the screen. So going back here, we'll have to go ahead and click on settings in the bottom left corner of the screen to open all store related settings. So we have that one here, click onto that. And right after, we'll need to head here onto the plan section. Now, if you have any apps connected to your Shopify store that you pay for, uninstall them before deactivating your store. So this prevents charges after closure. So you have here the option to go ahead and cancel already. Since I'm on a trial mode, we'll have to click on cancel trial. But you might see different buttons in here if you're actually onto a paid plan, like deactivate or something like that. So before you go, you'll have a message in here where a menu will pop up, and then you'll just have to click on to continue to proceed. So it will ask you to give the reason why you're closing this. You'll just have to put the reason here, and then right after, you could add more here, which is optional. Click on continue and then just finalize it. So Shopify will notify you that after deactivation, you'll no longer have access to sales data, reports, or product and customer information. So just click on cancel trial to finalize that. So once you've completed the steps, your Shopify store will be closed already, and Shopify will store your information for 2 years, allowing you to reactivate the store if you ever change your mind. So if this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.